Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in 2017 we had a lot of new CPUs coming out and a lot of them were actually very good. We had CPUs from both AMD and Intel and they both did very well, with AMD bringing back the competition and Intel trying to do their best to bring back their market share. So with all of these things going around, you might be wondering if it is a good idea to upgrade your CPU right now. So in this video we're gonna find out exactly that, so let's get started. So with all of the latest CPUs, there are a lot of appealing options on the market right now in terms of CPUs. But upgrading your CPU doesn't necessarily mean that you'll buy just a new processor and that's it, because in most cases you'll need to buy a new motherboard as well, and probably even new RAM. If you're running an older platform, let's say the DDR3, let's say you have DDR3 RAM, then you'll obviously have to upgrade and buy some DDR4 RAM sticks, and that is going to set you back quite a bit because RAM is very high in price right now because of the shortage, and that will set you back quite a lot, so you really need to take that into consideration. Now in terms of CPU options, there is a ton of good CPUs, value for money CPUs from AMD out there, and for all the Intel fanboys, you can pick up any of the new 8th gen processors and it will be perfect for gaming and editing if you buy the higher end models as well. Now in my opinion, because in CES 2018, which actually was I think in 8th of January, their AMD announced their Ryzen 2.0, so we'll have new AMD CPUs coming out, and most likely they'll be as good and probably even better than the Ryzen CPUs we have now, and that means that we will either have better CPUs or the prices on the existing ones will drop, so you really need to take that into consideration. Now on the Intel side, it doesn't look like Intel is going to release any mainstream processors close to this date, so keep that in mind. But if you want to buy an AMD processor, if you wait a little bit, the prices will drop quite significantly on the ones that are on the market right now, and you'll have new options as well. Now you have to keep in mind that RAM prices will most likely go down as well. So in conclusion, right now, in my opinion, if you're not in a hurry, it's not really a good time to upgrade your CPU, since a lot of options are right around the corner. They are about to be released, and RAM pricing is most likely gonna go down in the near future. So this is it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll hopefully see you guys all in the next one.